Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the properties of nanomaterial. Nanomaterial will shows the different properties as compared to their bulk one. For example, gold will appear yellow color in bulk state, but gold nanoparticles are in red color. It will shows the different color as compared to their bulk one. The properties of nanomaterial are become size dependent. Because of this, they will shows the different size properties in bulk state as compared to in nano state. Why properties change at nano scale? Because of three reasons, the nanomaterial will shows the different properties as compared to bulk one. First reason is electron confinement. The electron confinement is defined as electron limiting their movement in space with dimension. In bulk material, conduction of electron is delocalized. That is, electron can move freely in all directions. When the scale is reduced to nanoscale, the quantum effect is dominant. For zero-dimensional nanomaterial, all the dimensions are at the nanoscale and hence the electrons are confined in the 3D space. Therefore, no electron delocalization. That means they are no free to move. Hence, they will show the different electronic properties. Next one is greater surface area to the volume ratio. Third one is reduction in solid state defect. The defect observed in the bulk state in the structure of the material, those defects will not observed in the nanomaterial structures. Why properties change in nanoscale? In order to understand, we have to consider the 3D block. It will show the different properties. When you cut into the 2D thin film, it will show the different properties had compared to the 3D block. Next, again this 2D thin film is cut into the a one-dimensional wire, so that it having the different properties as compared to the 2D thin film. Then again this one-dimensional wire is cut into the particle. Then this particle will show the entirely different properties as compared to the 3D block, to a two-dimension thin film and one-dimension wire. So that the properties will change according to their size. This is due to electron confinement. When we know that atoms are isolated, then their energy level are discrete. When they are in packed form and in larger number, energy levels are changed and form the bond, so that electron delocalization will take place. But when come to into the nanoscale, electron are restricted to the some space, hence the quantum effect will dominate. Because of this, electron confinement will take place. In order to understand the electron confinement in the bulk state, electron delocalization will take place. For example, lion present in the jungle, it can move in anywhere direction when it is placed in the jungle, and it is free to move in all the parts of jungle. In the same as in the bulk size, electrons can be delocalized freely in all direction. When the lion is placed in cage, then the scale is reduced to the nanoscale. Because of that, quantum effect will take place. That means here lion is restricted to the some space, not as it is free as compared to in jungle. Because in the same way, in the nanoscale, electrons are restricted and hence electron confined in the 3D space Therefore, there is no electron delocalization will take place. Hence, nanomaterial will shows the different properties as compared to their bulk one. Greater surface area to the volume ratio. Here, when you take the 3D block, it is having the larger volume and less surface area. When you cut it, it is two parts, then the surface of the same block will be the increased into two parts and volume is reduced. Because of this, availability of the surface is more, hence the atom present on the surface are exposed more. When again these two blocks are cut into four blocks, again surface will be increased and the volume will be decreased. Hence the availability of surface area is more on the particles. Because of this, chemical reactivity and the high rate of reaction will also take place. Hence it will changes the properties of nanomaterial. Because of this, all the properties of nanomaterial is depend on its their size.